In Python, you can receive input from the user through the input function. The input function allows the user to enter data from the keyboard, which is then stored as a string. Here's an example. In this example, the input function prompts the user to enter their name. The user enters their name and the input function stores it as a string in the name variable. The print function then uses the plus operator to concatenate the strings hello, the value of name, and the string exclamation point. It's important to note that the input function always returns a string. If you want to use the input as a number, you'll need to convert it using the int or float functions. Here's an example. In this example, the input function prompts the user to enter their age. The int function is then used to convert the string returned by input to an integer. The print function then uses the plus operator to concatenate the strings you will be, the value of age plus 10, and the string in 10 years. The str function is used to convert the result of the addition back to a string before concatenation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.